So my tip for the agent is the following. Remember that every time you actually have to communicate an offer or to receive an offer, remember you're talking with a partner. We are what we call transaction agents, so we work for the transaction. So when you receive an offer, the offer is never offensive. Even if it sounds too low, it's still a good offer. It will give you the opportunity to go to your seller and renegotiate eventually. So you'll call your seller and say, hey, I have a great news. Really, I just got an offer. How much is your offer for? $250,000. You crazy? I want $300,000. Hey, still better than the other offer we got today. What offer? Exactly. So that at least gives you the opportunity to go over there, talk with your seller, renegotiate the price, and there is nothing offensive. Guess one thing. If the person that is bringing you the offer sells that property, guess who else is going to get paid? You are as a listing agent, right? So let's cooperate all together. Let's just help each other to make this offer going through. Maybe you're going to have a negotiation. Maybe you're going to reduce the price, but we all work as a partner. So this is my tip of the week.